Hi friends, I'm Parvez from geekschoolers.com and this is our 18th video in Python programming language. In this video we're going to talk about Python multiple inheritance. So if a class extends from more than one class, that's called multiple inheritance. Now in this example you can see that I have class A and class B. Now these two are my base classes. I have another class that's called class C. Now this class C extends from the class A and also class B, and this class is our derived class. Now as I have already said that in multiple inheritance we can extend from more than one class, and now you can see that in here we have class C and it's extending from the class A and class B. So these two are our base classes, and in here we have just one derived classes. Okay, now let's create a practical example. So in here I have a class A, and in this class A I'm going to create a method. So for example, a method, I'm going to just call it, and I want to just print a method from class A. I have another method of class B, and I have diff B method, and I can just print B method from class B. Now these are my two base classes. I have another class, class C. Now this class extends from the two base classes, class A and class B. I'm not going to add anything in this class. I want to just pause this class. So in here if I create the object of my C class, so C, and if I say C dot, you can see that it can access to A and also B methods. Now I can access to A method and C dot, you can see, so this is my A and this is my B. Now if I run this, you can see that A method from class A and we have B method from class B. Now let me just describe this code again. I have two base classes, class A and class B. Now in the class A I have a method of it's a method for printing, and also the same I have in the class B. Now I want to use multiple inheritance, and I want to extend from these two classes, from class A and class B. Now in this example we will have two base classes, that's class A and class B. This is our derived class. We have we have A and B. It's extending from the A class and also B class, and these two are our parent class or base class. Now sometimes you need to, for example, overwrite a method in multiple inheritance. Now let me just show you an example. Let me just create a multiple inheritance, for example. Now I want to just use the same example. For example, I have class A, and in the class A I have full name, and I want to just print that this is my full name and it is belonging to class A. I have class B, so I have the same full name in this class B, and in here I'm going to just print this is my full name and it should be class B. So now let me create another class, so that is class C, and I want to use multiple inheritance. So class C, this class is extending from class A and B, and I want to just pause this. Now we are going to talk, so now let me just create my C object, and if I see C dot full name, now if I run this, let me just first run this. You can see that it is calling the A class method. So you can see that it's calling the A class full name. Now in here we have a concept of method resolution order. Now it will first check the C class for finding the full name method. So this method. If it doesn't find this full name method in the C class, it will log for the A class. So if I change this, for example, if I make this B and also make this C, now you can see it will print the full name from the B class, not the A class. So if I run this, so sorry, so we don't have C, sorry, we have B and A, like this. Now if I run this, you will see that it will call the full name method from the B class, not A class. So you can see this is my full name, class B. Now if I create the same method in class C, so this is class C, remove this pass. Now if I run this, you will see that it will first check for the C class, and if it finds the full name method, it will print this. So in this case, it will print this is my full name and class C. So you can see this is full name class C. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know. Also, you can check my website geekscoders.com.